Here it is, y'all. Father's Day for me. Yeah. Woo! 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. This cooking station is going to be incredible. Can't wait to unbox this, put it together, season it up, and get to cooking. Woo! It's going to be incredible. Hey everyone, hey, it's Father's Day weekend and I have a gift that is just incredible. I'm super excited about this gift right here, the 36-inch Griddle cooking station by Blackstone. I am stoked about this. This thing has over 756 square inches of cooking space. Right down here it says 72 bacon strips, 48 fried eggs, 28 pancakes, 28 chicken breasts, 25 grilled cheese, 28 hamburgers, 16 steaks, 20 fish fillets, and 72 hot dogs. Man, I could cook a lot on this thing right here, and I'm excited about it. And so we're going to unbox this, we're going to put it together, and I'm going to go through the whole process with you, and then we're going to season it up the right way. Stick around. I hope to be cooking on this thing very soon. This grill right here actually will come with a protective hardcover included. I bought this at my local Walmart, and I have to say, I did, for the very first time, I did online at Walmart and went and picked it up. Went through the actual pickup line, and that's a pretty neat experience. And so I'll probably be using that a little more often. But anyway, just thought that was a good experience. But I got this right here, and there's so many other accessories that you can get with this, and I'll probably share later on during a cook some of the accessories that I bought to go with my griddle. But this is a must-have. Really, it's a must-have, especially in Louisiana weather. We're here in Louisiana, and so the protective hardcover covers the grill itself, but it doesn't cover everything. And so I bought this so that I can cover it and keep it safe from Mother Nature's elements. All right, so let me throw that over there. Let's get into that. All right, y'all, so we are about to crank this thing up. Woo! First time. So here we go. I'm gonna turn it on. Go ahead and turn the burners on, and boom, fires right up. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. So this is the first one, so I don't need any tongs. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub this oil all over this grate as I'm just get it all over the grate. I'm going to get it in the corners. whittling out on the edges, on these edges. The reason you want to get it on these edges is because the seasoning, when you season this, it actually becomes more of a non-stick surface, and that's what you do, pretty much what you do whenever you're doing cast iron. And so there we go. So what we're trying to do, and you may not be able to see it, okay, so you see the smoke coming off the griddle, that's the oil heating up. Once it stops smoking, then we can go to the next step, and that is put another layer of seasoning on it. And we want to probably do about 3 to 5 coats of seasoning. This grate will actually get pretty dark, and you want it that way. Actually, the uglier it is, the better it's going to cook, folks.